Bangla from class 5th C. Today my class got golden opportunity to present assembly on birth anniversary of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Now my friend is here with a quote by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.
Today Ravi Duneja here with a beautiful quote by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Life should be great rather than long. I repeat, life should be great rather than long. Now my friends are here to tell you more about Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.
Today, I Nilesh is here to tell you about Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar was born on 14th April 1891, also known as Baba Sahib Ambedkar. He was an Indian jurist, economist, politician and social reformer. He also campaigned against the social discrimination towards untouchables. Thank you.
He was independent India's first Minister of Law and Justice and considered to be the chief architect of the Constitution of India. In 1990, he was awarded with the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian award. Now my friend is here to tell you about Constitution of India. Thank you.
I suggest to Kral is here to tell you about the Constitution of India. The Constitution of India is the supreme law of India. In simple language, we can also call it rule book. Now my friend is here to read the preamble.
Good morning everyone. My name is Parikshit Pandey from class 5th C. Our Constitution of India. The people of India having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do here we adopt it and give to ourselves this Constitution. Thank you.
Be educated, be organized and be agitated. Happy Ambedkar Jayanti.